Hello there and welcome back to another video. Today guys, we are here inside of how to make a raise a flopper type game Roblox over here guys. I think I did say last video that this was going to be the final episode. Well guys, I've got one more after this. I forgot because someone actually did recommend me to actually make it so like the happiness gives you guys a cash multiplier. So I'm going to be showing you guys how to do that today, which is going to be quite interesting. And then the next video guys, we'll be making like buy the outside and all sorts of stuff over here guys. Like there'll be a door that you guys can unlock. So yeah, it's going to be quite cool. Without further ado, let's go and get into it now. But we'll do that after I've told you all about rblxcodes.com, which is my own Roblox code website where you can find out game codes, music codes, and cards. There is tons of stuff in there that you guys have to check out. Overall, we give codes for over 1,000 Roblox games, so if you guys need a code for a game, it will be there. Anyway guys, I guess let's just go ahead and go on into this video now. So guys, when you actually join the game right now, what happens is, even if the happiness of your flopper is 100% guys, you'll still only get one cash per happiness. However guys, in the real game, it's, for example, if it's like 50% happiness or below, it'll be like 0.5 times. If you guys kind of get what I mean over here. So what essentially we need to do is create a value which is going to allow us to have our like happiness, well, like a multiplier over here guys. As you can see, we actually already made a multiplier before in a previous episode, and this, well, we could actually do this, but guys, I think what we are going to do instead, because of course guys, the multiplier is for upgrades, I think what we are actually going to do over here is make a whole new multiplier guys, and this one is actually going to go ahead and be a happiness multiplier. So what we're going to do over here is open up the multiplier script, which you guys made a few episodes ago, and we're going to actually just copy and paste this over here right now guys, and then paste that in there. Okay guys, instead of this being called multiplier, we are going to be calling this happiness and then multiplier over here right now guys. There we go, happiness multiplier. Keep in mind guys, if you are having any issues with this, again, you can also always join my Patreon account where you can download this exact Roblox studio file. But yeah guys, happiness multiplier, we're also going to name this happiness multiplier as it needs to be a bit different to this one. Anyway guys, what we're going to do right now is pretty much this. So we want to do local flopper stats, and that is going to be equal to player wait for child and then flopper stats just over here. I think that's what we called it guys. I can't remember exactly. We'll see if there's any error messages later on. Then guys, we're going to do local happiness, and that's going to be equal to flopper stats wait for child and happiness just over here guys. And then we're kind of going to do what it was underneath here. So we are going to do if so guys, of course there is different states of happiness which determine different like different multiplier types. Like for example, below, we'll do like below 25% gives you guys, I don't know, 0.5 times cash. Above 75% you guys get 2 times cash. We'll just make it like that. So to do this guys, what we are going to do is this. We're going to do if happiness dot value is less than 25, then, so if the happiness value is less than, no guys, we'll do or equal to 25, then guys, we are going to do happiness multiplier, then we are going to do dot value, and we're going to set this to 0.5, as guys, we want to half the amount of cash that they get if the happiness value is below 25. Then guys, we are going to do else if happiness value is dot value is greater than 25 and happiness dot value is less than or equal to 75, then we are gonna put the happiness multiplier dot value to 1. Then guys, we are gonna do else if again happiness, no guys, we can probably just copy this line, if happiness multiplier sorry guys, yeah, happiness dot value is greater than actually sorry guys, it's greater than, instead of 25 we're going to do 75, then we're going to do happiness multiplier dot value, and we're going to equal this to 2. Essentially guys, whenever the happiness changes, of course we want to change this with it. So we're going to do happiness dot happiness dot changed connect function, and then guys, all we need to do here is just a simple copy and paste of this into here right now guys. Okay, now that you have this working, it should actually change our happiness depending on the amount that's the amount that we have right over here guys. So I'm going to quickly see if there's any error messages right now. Okay, yes guys, there was. Let me quickly see over here what we actually named it. Okay, it was not flopper stats like that, it was Floppa for lowercase f. So let's quickly update this right now, guys. There we go. So Floppa stats just over here, guys. That hopefully should be working right now. And I think now we should have a good value over here in our player. So let's have a little look right now, guys. Players, my player, and we are going to do sorry, not upgrades, it was happiness multiplier. And yeah, guys, right now it's 2 because our happiness is greater than 75. However, guys, if we wait a few seconds, to be fair, I kind of forgot how slow this goes down. Well, it will eventually drop to 1 once it's, let's say, it's 75%, guys. We'll just see that working later on, because of course when I go ahead and get on into playing the game again, guys, it's going to start off at a 5% chance. Anyway, guys, what we are going to do next is this. So guys, if we go ahead and go back to the server script service, and now if we open up I forgot actually which one it was. I think, one second, guys, it was, let's have a look over here though. Actually, sorry, I don't even think it's under here. I think it is under the cache thing. Yeah, under cache, then under the collection script, we are going to do this. We are going to do cache.value is equal to cache.value plus 1 times the multiplier value. And then it's going to simply, you know, guys, we are going to just do this over here right now, guys. We're going to put all this in brackets, and then we are going to times this again by, we actually want to find the happiness multiplier as well. So we're going to make a variable. We're going to do local happiness happiness multiplier is equal to player dot happiness multiplier just over here right now, because I'm trying to be not spelling them wrong. Anyway, guys, happiness, then we're just going to simply times that by happiness multiplier dot value. Okay, guys, this should hopefully be working right now. Let's have a little try out of this right now. Okay, guys, so hopefully there's going to be no error messages. So right now, guys, our happiness is on 82%. So now, guys, right, okay, I think, well, this is kind of went a bit wrong over here, guys. I don't think we are supposed to be getting this much cash. We're getting bunches of cash over here, guys. Okay, so, well, it's definitely working. It's definitely timesing, guys, but not really in the way that I'd want. Okay, let's, I think, guys, we'll, so cash.value plus, actually, I think I know right now, guys, it is plus, yeah, 1 times multiplier value, and then we're going to do it again, 1 plus happiness multiplier but dot value, guys. I think, actually, yeah, we'll just do, actually, 1 second, guys, let me just figure this out in my head. You know, guys, we're going to try this out. I think I was just being stupid over here. This should work right now, guys. So we'll just, instead of putting this in all brackets, to be fair, we can kind of just delete them brackets out right now, guys. But yeah, instead of putting this all around brackets, guys, we should be good to just times it, I guess. But let's have a little look over here right now, guys. I think we should be good to go over here. So 1022, we should technically get 2 per one. Yes, guys, we got 2 over here, so this is now working. So guys, we got 2 cash per collection over here, which is awesome right now. And then hopefully once it goes down, you know, guys, let me quickly go ahead and switch my Floppa stats. I'm going to switch the happiness to 75. Sorry, guys, 75, just over there. So now, guys, we should hopefully get 1 per one. Well, our Floppa just died over here, guys, and that's just updated it, which is brilliant, guys. Okay, that's great timing. 75. Here we go. Okay, let's try this again. Okay, so we're gonna click on this, and then now, guys, we only get 1, and then if we just done that for, if, you know, guys, we'll just update that again, put the happiness at 11, and now, guys, if we click on this again, guys, we're only gonna get, well, apparently over here right now, guys, that is not doing that. Let me quickly figure out what I have done here, unless right, let me see here what is actually going on right now. I've actually found out what I've done wrong over here. It's not actually updating to 0.5 because integers cannot actually be decimal numbers, so we actually need to do a number value over here, guys, instead of that int value, and that should be fine to work right now, guys. Okay, so that hopefully will times by 0.5. Let's have a look if this is working over here, guys. Happiness is 22. Collect this up, guys. That's still not working. I wonder why. Let's have a little look though, guys. Is our happiness multiplier? Yeah, that is at 0.5. but I don't know why that is not. Let me quickly figure out what I'm doing wrong over here. I must be doing something wrong. So guys, I've actually figured out what's going wrong, and actually nothing technically is going wrong. Well, kind of is, but pretty much, guys, I'll explain why. So as you saw there, before, our upgrades, our cash multiplier value, our happiness multiplier value didn't go to 0.5 because it was an int value, and that's not actually, even though it's technically adding 0.5 to our cash, it is not, because our actual cash is an integer value, guys. So if you want to change that, well, you guys can do this, and I'll show you guys how. So all you need to do here is inside of our leader stats folder, instead of making this an int value, you guys can make this a number value, and this will go ahead and actually allow you guys to add 0.5 cash. However, guys, if you don't really want decimals in your numbers, then guys, you can leave that as an int value, and when the player starts to get multipliers, for example, let's say they have a 4 times multiplier and they had the 0.5 times happiness multiplier as well, because they had happiness 25%, then it would go to 2 cash per money picked up, if you guys get what I mean over here. So that's pretty much the reason why that is working over here, guys. If you have 2 different options of what you guys want to do, really, you guys can just keep that the same, and it will still be working just later on in the game when the player has multipliers, or guys, you can just change that to a number value, whatever you guys want. But let me quickly show you guys this working for real this time. We change the happiness to 20, something like that. That's a lot bigger than 20. There we go, guys, 20. And now I click it, and we're going to get 6.5 as you can see over there. So you can just do whatever you guys want. But yeah, guys, that's going to be it for this video here. I hope you all did enjoy this video. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe to show some support, and peace out.